As an interface of the future, touch displays let us become part of a digital world. Continuous research and development therefore constitute the foundation of our products.
faytech is der Touch-Spezialist.
faytech is the touch specialist. This means we realize the products when it comes to visualizing processes with touch panels, making them more efficient in industrial environments, stores and machinery. This includes displays, touchscreen PCs and embedded touch PCs. All of faytech's devices are manufactured in Shenzhen, China. Being part of the Hongmen Technology Park, we guarantee production according to German quality standards.
Unsere Stärke ist, dass wir alles in-house machen.
Our strength is that we do everything in-house. This means we control the complete vertical process and can focus on the details here in China. It is often the little things that determine whether a product is good or bad. And we ensure that we go this last little step to provide good quality. Resistive or capacitive touch displays, 86-inch displays or embedded touch screens for industrial use. All our products are inspected for their audio-visual functions. Stress tests in extreme situations, such as jolt, heat or exposure to weather, guarantee functionality in every situation. Our high brightness monitor series warrants best image quality, even under direct sunlight.
In einem neuen Produkt, das wir
In a new product that we recently developed together, a complete touch PC is used for video recordings in endoscopy. With the support regarding design modifications and product developments, faytech has been an excellent partner for many years.
Weiterentwicklung des Produktes und dort sind wir mit faytech seit vielen Jahren ganz hervorragend gefahren.
faytech is the global leader in optical bonding of large-size displays up to 86 inches. The most premium touchscreens are manufactured and inspected in the clean room of the production site. In order to avoid entrapped air or dust, the individual components are assembled with high precision and under strict hygiene requirements.
Also faytech hat heute einen sehr starken.
Today, faytech has a strong technological portfolio and competitive advantage in production. Therefore, we want to continue the growth that we have had in the past and gladly advance it in the future. It is important to me that we are a reliable partner for our customers. faytech is a large part of our lives. We both have worked for faytech from the beginning. It is our future.
Ist auch unsere Zukunft.